Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close your power operated boot lid automatically. That means we have a seat at the driver's side of our Audi A4 or A4 Avant, and the ignition is on, and we can now pull on the button for this boot lid. If we push, it will automatically open, as you can see. Then, the same style others, we push, we pull and hold, and it will become down, and while it is coming down and locked, it will give you a beep information of that, okay? So easy it is, we can make this easy. With the ignition switched on, we pull and hold the boot lid open button in the driver's door, and the boot lid is closed. So we will close it. We press so you can easy peasy open and close your boot lid automatically. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.